DShK. DShK came on the scene in 1938, right before the World War II. It is chambered with 12.7 by 108mm rounds with effective fire range of up to 2,000 meters. This gun weighs about 150 kilos and it took 3 men in a truck to bring it to the side of Tochmash.
The DShK, or DShK, which means a beloved or loved person, as it's called in Russian, it came on the scene in 1938, right before World War II, where it was used as a heavy infantry machine gun against light armored vehicles and troops. The DShK is belt-fed, gas-operated with a muzzle velocity of 860 meters per second. It's chambered in 12.7 by 108mm rounds with an effective range of 2,000 meters. The weapon cycles about 600 rounds per minute. It is a powerful gun with a shocking psychological effect.
We got for you today a safe, a Balalaika, some papers, a Russian samovar, cans with paint, and a Russian Balalaika. Okay guys, this will be the first time I'll be shooting a DShK. I got no idea what to expect because I've never shot before a heavy machine gun with such powerful rounds. So I'm pretty excited about it and I don't know what to expect. I honestly do not know. Okay, let's go and see what's gonna happen to a safe with a bottle of vodka. There is no freaking way it survives 12.7 millimeter rounds. Okay. Okay, let's go and see what happened to that safe. Okay, I see 5 dents, 6 exit holes, and we destroyed our safe. It hit it right below. I got a weird feeling that our bottle of vodka could have survived. Oh no, it hasn't. Oh my god. It's so black inside, and we emptied our bottle of vodka. Oh my god. It's so powerful. So big holes. Okay, let's go. Let's move forward and bring out some cans with paint and some papers. Okay, let's bring some colors to the range. Have you seen the way it jumped out of the box? We gotta take a look from our GoPro camera to find out what exactly happened, but from what I've seen, we hit the red, the yellow one, the green one, it's okay with it, the blue one just spilled out. Okay, let's go and see what's gonna happen to the Russian samovar. And now I gotta hit a 30 minutes high target from 100 meters from a machine gun with our insights. That's freaking amazing. No, come on. I'm totally shocked, honestly, I am. There was no freaking way I was gonna hit it. No freaking way. Let's go and see what happened to that samovar. We fixed our samovar right to the barrel, and as you saw, it just boom, flew right into space. So here's our samovar, and this is its bottom part. As you can see, we hit it right here and tore it apart. Oh, I can even see some parts for samovar lying on the barrel. Okay, and now let's place some paper and see how deep these 12.7 millimeter rounds are gonna go inside of it. sun is shining right in my face and I see nothing. That's gonna be a totally blind shooting. But I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. Da 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 da. I hit it. We hit it again. When I was lying in front of that machine gun, I saw how it was cutting edges, and yeah, I did. I hit the box right on the edge. We don't have an entry hole in the middle. Yeah, that's it. We cut the edges of this paper. We do not know how much paper we need to stop a 20.7mm round. We gotta bring our last guest to the stage and find out what's gonna happen with balalaikas. Okay, this is the last day of these two balalaikas. I'll be doing blind shooting again. The sun is shining in my face, and I don't know if I'll hit it or I won't. No, I missed. I missed again. And again. And again. And again. Okay, let's go and see if these balalaikas are actually bulletproof. Oh, it feels like Russian balalaikas who weighed bullets like new from Netflix. We hit none of them. And feels like we're bringing them to one of our next episodes. And by the way, write down in the comments below what guns you want to see us review next time, what items you want to see us blow up next time, and subscribe to our channel. I love you guys. See you next time. Bye.